we're finally by the end of the lift hill, doing full speed here for you guys. I'm gonna do full speed all the way, even if it rains like crazy, and this is a full water coaster by now. Hello. Okay, fun though. Oh, we get speed. We pretty much speed here. I don't have a jacket. Oh my god, it's so wet. I have no idea. Woo! Oh, that's fun. Whee! I got a bit of air time there. That was a bit of a surprise. I hope you see more than I do, because I don't see anything because of the rain. I have my eyes closed. Whee! Whee! I like the layout of this track. It's kind of cool how it follows the mountain, but the amount of rain, oh my god, this is okay. So you who saw the coaster trip, you saw that we have quite some rain on the mountain coaster we did there. I can tell you this is more. That was the roll track here at Isaberg Mountain.